If the step counter has been mocking from the lock screen all day, this is how to turn desk time into miles without wrecking focus. Here's what matters. After testing a bunch of compact walking pads and under-desk treadmills, 6 models stood out for daily usability, noise, belt feel, app or remote control, stability, and how easily they disappear when work starts. I'll call out quirks where they actually show up. Let me explain.
6. WALKINGPAD Foldable Walking Pad Treadmill. I wanted to love this one for the clever fold and tiny footprint. The WALKINGPAD line has that signature hinge in the deck and a compact fold size that slides under a couch or desk, which is perfect when space is tight and clutter gets in the way of actually using gear. The P1 style deck gives a 47.24 by 16.5 inch walking area and tops out around a brisk walking speed, so it's built for steady steps while typing, not sprints. Day-to-day, it's quiet enough for calls, the remote works, and the KS Fit app connection is a nice touch if tracking matters to motivation. Here's the thing though. Well, 2 things. First, that dual fold design means there's a hinge seam in the belt path. You do forget it after a few minutes, but on thinner shoes, you'll notice the transition underfoot. It's not a deal breaker, just one of those, oh right, there it is, sensations that never fully disappears. Second, the width is serviceable but not generous. If foot drift is a habit when reading or answering emails, the 16.5-inch belt can feel narrow compared to some fixed deck pads. Speeds are capped in the walking range, about 0.5 to 3.75 miles per hour on the classic model, which is fine for focus blocks and long meetings, though folks who like a fast walk might bump that top end more often than expected.
5. Egofit Walker Pro Plus, smallest under-desk treadmill. The Egofit Walker Pro M1 leans hard into minimal size, and to be fair, it delivers. It's built to be the world's smallest under-desk treadmill, and in practice, it's easy to stash, easy to drag out, and yes, quiet enough for shared spaces. There's a fixed 5-degree incline baked in, which sounds minor but actually changes the feel. Heart rate climbs faster, calves wake up, and even at 2 miles per hour, it feels like proper movement rather than a flat shuffle. You know how some underdesk pads put the motor housing ahead of the belt and steal toe room? Egofit's sinking motor design tucks things low, so the usable deck feels bigger than the dimensions suggest, and the whole unit stays trim for storage. Remote and app control work the way they should, no drama, and it ships fully assembled, so setup is literally open the box, plug, and go. Speed tops out around 3.1 miles per hour with a 220-pound capacity, so it's firmly a walking tool, not a jogger. Now, the trade-offs. That incline is great for effort until it isn't. On long typing sessions, the permanent slope can make wrists and posture a bit awkward, unless desk height and monitor angle are dialed in. Flat belts are more forgiving for marathon work blocks. Also, the walking area is compact, and wide-stance walkers may edge the side rails when multitasking. It's not a flaw, it's the price of the smallest claim.
4. UREVO Walking Pad Treadmills for Home Office. UREVO keeps showing up in home offices for a reason. It gets the fundamentals right and usually costs less than the boutique brands. The underdesk units arrive ready to roll, and the motors are quiet enough that calls aren't awkward. In use, the deck feels stable, and the belt cushioning does a decent job of taking sting out of repetitive steps, good for 2 or 3 hours of slow walking during admin blocks. Several variants in the family give options on belt size and speed, with compact models for desks and 2-in-1 styles if occasional jogs are a must later in the day. What stood out across the UREVO line was predictability. Speed ramps are smooth, remotes do what they say, LED readouts are visible at a glance. One portable model is notably lightweight for setup and teardown, and storage under a bed or couch is as simple as a tilt and roll on the wheels. If a household shares the pad, that grab and stow matters more than people expect. 2 notes from daily use. First, noise is low, but like many budget pads, footfall on hardwood transmits more vibration than on a rug. Throw a mat down, and it's solved. Second, top speed on strictly underdesk versions stays in walking territory. Joggers should pick UREVO's 2-in-1 styles designed for raised handrails and higher caps. Fair trade for focus-first work use.
3. Maksone Portable Walking Pad Office Treadmill. Maksone's portable pad feels like it was purpose-built for office cadence.
quick unbox, remote in hand, and installation free. In practice, it settles into that 1.5 to 2.5 mile per hour sweet spot where typing stays accurate and posture doesn't melt. The motor noise fades into air conditioning levels once it warms up, and the belt tracking stayed true across long sessions without fiddling, which is a relief when work, not wrenching, is the point. The control profile is straightforward. Speed up, slow down, pause, and the LED readout gives the essentials without forcing an app. That's refreshing. Stability is better than its weight suggests. Quick glances down show consistent margins on each side, and the front housing doesn't intrude on stride. As with many compact pads, a floor mat makes a big difference to vibration if the office is upstairs. If I'm being picky, taller walkers with a long heel-to-toe pattern will want to keep speed conservative to stay centered on the deck. And like most underdesk units, this one isn't meant for running. But for exactly what it claims to be, an office treadmill you actually use, it nails the basics. Bottom line, no frills, low maintenance, and pleasantly invisible once a playlist starts.
2. The THERUN Walking Pad Treadmill Under Desk. The THERUN's under desk line feels a notch more refined in day-to-day use. The unit arrives fully assembled, the remote is responsive, and the motor stays composed as speed creeps up. What sold me was belt feel. There's a little extra give underfoot and enough width that multitasking doesn't push toes toward the rails. It reads like marketing, I know, but stacking calls while walking is smoother when micro-corrections don't break flow. Speeds and capacities vary by model, but the series covers the common needs. True under-desk walking at lower speeds, and 2-in-1 options that move up toward a jog when the handrail is raised on the convertible versions. For office use, noise stays under room tone plus footsteps, which is what matters. The LED readouts are clean, and the remote app combo makes quick adjustments without hunting for buttons at ankle height. Over a week, the standout quality was consistency. No belt drift, no laggy speed jumps. No, did it actually register that press frustration? That reliability is a huge part of whether a walking pad becomes habit instead of a novelty. Bottom line, polished, steady, and sized right for real desks. It earns the number 2 slot because it fades into the background in the best way.
1. DeerRun Smart Underdesk Treadmill. This is the pick that feels like an upgrade the minute it's under the desk. DeerRun's underdesk lineup combines a quiet, confident motor with a belt that's both comfortably cushioned and wide enough that the mind can wander without feet wandering off the deck. Several models push higher weight capacities up to 300 pounds in the brand's 3-in-1 line without getting loud, which usually signals a stronger, better damped drive system. Daily practicality is strong too. Units arrive ready to use, speed control via remote is immediate, and the LED tracking readouts are clear from a standing glance. What sealed it in first place is versatility without hassle. If a quick burst is needed between meetings, the DeerRun models with convertible modes climb into faster walking and even light jogging with raised rails, while the underdesk form stays flat and quiet for work blocks. Storage is simple. Low profile, easy wheels, and setup is practically zero. Compared head-to-head, it's that blend of quiet operation plus belt comfort that adds an extra hour to what feels doable. A note on the ecosystem. DeerRun supports app pairing on some versions for logging and community runs, but nothing is locked behind an app wall. Remote control alone covers the daily loop, which keeps friction low. In repeated use, nothing rattled, belt alignment stayed put, and the deck feel remained kind on knees and hips through longer sessions. Closing thought. Pick based on the constraint that matters most. If space is brutal, the walking pad's fold is still a marvel. If smallest possible is the rule and a little incline sounds fun, Egofit is charming with a caveat. If reliability on a budget is the brief, UREVO and Maksone settle in nicely. If don't think about it, just walk office tool is the goal, THERUN is confidence building. And if the plan is to actually rack up miles while working all year, DeerRun hits the sweet spot of quiet power and all-day belt feel.